What if we could transfer our consciousness into an AI model? What makes us human? Is it our consciousness or our body? Look, we don't have any definition of consciousness. Science doesn't have a definition of consciousness. Let's say I have a black box. We talk about the black box thing, right? Let's say I have a black box. How do I know if there is a consciousness inside that black box or not? Which means I have to force myself to define what it means for a system to be conscious. How do I define it? I don't have a definition. Physics doesn't have a definition. Information theory doesn't have a definition. Biology, neuroscience, chemistry, we don't have a definition of consciousness in any of these disciplines. So we know consciousness exists. When we see something, we know whether it's conscious or not. It's like life. When we see something, we know if it's living or not. I have these books behind me. All of us know the moment we look, these are not living beings. These are not living organisms, right? And when we see something that's alive, even if it's a flower, if it's a plant or a shrub, we know it's alive. We can instantly recognize that this being is alive. It's like the same thing with consciousness. When we see it, we know it. You see a cat, I know it's conscious. I see a bee, I know it's conscious at a certain level. Even plants are aware of their environment. So we know it's there, we know it exists, but we don't know how to define it. So if we can't define it, how do we transfer it somewhere? Right? Because to first transfer it, I need to have it somewhere in some data set or something, or this data set. Then how do I transfer it intact? So, it's not possible right now with current technology or with the current understanding that we have, which is that we don't have any understanding of what it is, right? So what makes us human? Consciousness or body? It's consciousness that makes us human. Our consciousness is different from the consciousness of a bat or a dog or a bear or a rhinoceros or a cat or a bee. It's the consciousness that makes us different. But what is consciousness? We don't know. We don't know what it is.